Israel's true calendar. Why the righteous never follow man-made time. Peace to the remnant. Today I'm teaching on something that most people never see because they've been trained to follow the sky instead of the covenant. I'm teaching on why Israel, the righteous remnant, would never follow man-made calendars, lunar calendars, zodiac calendars, or sky-based time systems. And I'm going to show you this straight from Deuteronomy chapter 4. Not from emotion, not from tradition, not from religion. From the covenant itself. Deuteronomy 4 separates Israel from the sky. In Deuteronomy 4, God warns Israel. Do not lift your eyes to the sun. Do not lift your eyes to the moon. Do not lift your eyes to the stars. Do not be driven to worship or serve them. Why? Because God assigned the host of heaven to the nations, not to Israel. That means the nations follow sky-based systems. Israel does not. If the nations follow the sky, Israel cannot follow the sky. Any calendar based on the sky belongs to the nations. If your calendar is based on moon phases, new moons, equinoxes, solstices, zodiac cycles, astronomical observation, you are following the system assigned to the nations, not the system assigned to Israel. Israel timing is not lunar. Israel timing is not zodiacal. Israel timing is not astronomical. Israel timing is covenantal. Israel timing is land-based. Israel timing is inward. Israel calendar is written in the land, not the sky. This is why every biblical appointment is tied to agriculture, not astronomy. Passover is equal to barley stage. Pentecost is equal to wheat stage. Tabernacles is equal to fruit in gathering. Sabbatical year is equal to land rest. Jubilee is equal to land return. The land is the clock. The covenant is the structure. The inward law is the operating system. The sky is not the authority. Real Hoodoo Spirituality preserves this truth. Real Hoodoo is not superstition. It is not spell casting. It is not moon watching. It is not zodiac tracking. Real hoodoo is the Judah spirit. The covenant identity preserved in the diaspora. It follows the land, the rains, the sprouting, the harvest, the inward discernment, the righteous operating system. Exactly what Deuteronomy 4 commands. Ecclesiastes 12 confirms the inward operating system. Ecclesiastes 12 says, fear God, keep his commandments. God judges every secret thing. Where does that happen? Inside the person. The righteous follow the inward law, not the outward sky. The nations follow the host of heaven. Israel follows the inward covenant. Froward thoughts are the only thing that breaks alignment. Israel is never separated from the operating system except through froward thoughts. Crooked, twisted, self-willed thoughts. Not sin, not weakness, not emotion, not circumstance. Only frowardness. Because frowardness rejects the inward design. Following man-made calendars is frowardness. Following lunar calendars is frowardness. Following zodiac calendars is frowardness. Following Gentile time systems is frowardness. Because it rejects the covenant timing God placed inside his people. The tree teaching makes this unmistakable. The righteous are called trees of righteousness. Trees follow the land, not the sky. A tree does not check the moon to know when to sprout. A tree does not check the zodiac to know when to fruit. A tree does not check the equinox to know when to rest. The land tells the tree what time it is. The Creator tells Israel what time it is. The sky tells the nations what time it is. The clean truth. According to Deuteronomy 4, Israel would never follow man-made calendars, lunar calendars, zodiac calendars, or sky-based calendars. Those belong to the nations, not to the righteous, not to the remnant. not to Israel. Israel's timing comes from the land, the covenant, the inward operating system, the righteous design, the Spirit's alignment, not the sky. So the closing word, hear this clearly. If you are Israel, the righteous remnant, your time does not come from the moon, the stars, the zodiac, or the Gentile calendar. Your time comes from the land, the covenant, and the inward law God placed inside you. This is Real Hoodoo Spirituality, the restoration of Israel's true timing. Peace to the remnant.